In this video, I'll describe the difference between policies and settings in the Microsoft Teams Admin Center. To get started, open the Microsoft Teams Admin Center at admin.teams.microsoft.com. We'll start with Policies, which contain settings you can apply to one or more users in your org. So select Meetings, followed by Meeting Policies. Below the Meeting Policies summary is a list of policies configured for your org. You can assign policies to individual users and to groups of users. Select View Users to see a list of users who have this policy assigned. To see policies assigned to groups, select the Group Policy Assignment tab. In this case, I assigned the Custom Meeting policy to the Sales and Marketing group. So, you can create multiple policies, each containing unique configurations, and assign those to different collections of users. On the other hand, settings apply to all users in the tenant. Turn off a setting, and it's off for everyone. Meeting settings, for example. These settings stay the same from user to user or group to group, like meeting invitations and network settings. In this case, I'll select Insert Quality of Service Markers to turn it on, and then select Save to update that setting for everyone in my org. You never have to assign these settings to users or groups. You'll see this distinction throughout the Admin Center. Another example is Live Events Policies versus Live Events Settings. Look for the words Policies or Settings in page names to help distinguish them. To learn more about using the Microsoft Teams Admin Center to manage teams, see our documentation on Microsoft Docs.